Okay, so now I am assembling the reverse idler gear, which is this part here. Is a gear that goes in here, and there is this holding pin here. Goes from this side to there. And then there is this bolt that will hold the pin in there. There are also two rings that you will have to place them like this so that the notch aligns with the notch in the gearbox casing, like so. So no mistakes there. And as for the correct position of the gear, if it's like this or like this, let's look at the manual. So it's like so. It's the orientation of the gear. So let's assemble this and continue. So turn the shaft until the hole aligns with the casing, and then insert the bolt. And I have to look for the torque for this bolt, but that's the end result. So the torque for this bolt is 11 foot-pounds. So there it is.